Namaste and welcome back to Amara Bharati Samskrita YouTube channel. We bow down to the Lord and continue looking at the Abhyasavan Bhava Apatita Avabodhanam reading comprehension lesson. The next part, the exercises. We look at the first exercise in this video. Now they have given a paragraph and they have given a set of questions in your Abhyasavan Bhava book. Now the first step, as I said, is K. Underline the keywords in the questions. So let us look at the questions and underline the keywords. First question is Ekapadena Uttarata. But the main question is Adholikitanam Gadyamsham Patitva. Having read this following paragraph, Yatha Nirdesham Prashnan Uttarata. Answer the questions as directed is what is told. Ekapadena Uttarata. Answer in one word. Dhatri Phalam Kada Labhadayakam Bhavati. Labhadayakam is the keyword. So we underline that keyword in the question paper. Next, Dhatri Palasya Aparam Nama Kim. What is the other name of the Dhatri Pala? Aparam Nama. We underline that keyword. Next, Dhatri Palam Kasmin Sahayakam Bhavati. We underline the word Sahayakam here in the question paper. Sahabhojanena Kidrishah Bhavah Jagarti. Sahabhojanena. We underline that keyword. You must remember that we have not yet read the paragraph. We are reading the questions first. Labhadayakam, Aparam Nama, Sahayakam, Sahabhojanena. We have identified and underlined 4 keywords for the first 4 questions. Next, Purna Vakyena Uttarata. Answer in full sentence. Dhatri Phalam Katham Bahupayogi Asti. So underline the word Bahupayogi. Prachina Kale Kidrishi Parampara Asit. We identify the word Parampara. We can identify the word Prachina Kale Parampara also we can identify. So it depends on, it comes with practice. How you identify the keyword comes with practice. Next, we have identified 6 keywords in the question. Next, Yatha Nirdesham Prashnan Uttarata. Sarveshu Rutushu Ityanayoho Padayoho Kim Visheshana Padam. So Visheshana Padam. So they are asking for the adjective. Sarveshu Rutushu means in all the seasons. Sarveshu is the Visheshana Padam. We get the answer. One answer we got already straight away. Sarveshu, one Visheshana Padam we got. Kshiyate iti Kriyapadasya Viloma Padam. Pathat Chitva Likhata. Kshiyate means diminishes, reduces, decays. So we have to find out the word which is the Viloma Pada, the opposite word to Kshiyate. So for the word Kshiyate, diminishes, the opposite word is Vardhate. So we have to identify that word Vardhate in this paragraph, which we will do. Snehasya iti padasya krite gadyamshe kim padam prayuktam. So we have to identify the word synonym, the paryaya pada, that is samanarthaka pada for the word snehasya in the passage. Snehasya is of friendship. Asya sevanena sharire rakta alpatana bhavati. So this is a sentence given. Etasmin vakye asya iti sarvanama padam kasmai prayuktam. Asya iti sarvanama. What is the pronoun asya indicating in this particular sentence is the question which is asked. Next, samuchitam shirshakam likhata. Write a proper title. So the first step is we have identified all the keywords in this particular question. So this comes with practice. It does not come in one day or 2 days. If you go on practicing lot of exercises like this, it comes with practice. Next step is we have colored the keywords. In your exam you will not have different color pens. So what you can do is first keyword you write a point circle and 1 there, and second keyword circle and 2, third keyword circle 3, like this you write in the question paper itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11th one you need not write because 11th one is the title and that is common to all the questions. So 10 keywords you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 word, 10 numbers you write next to these keywords. So next sentence is, next step is Match the keywords in the paragraph and underline them. So you just take a glance, a glimpse of the paragraph with the with the idea to search for these keywords. So labhadayakam, where does this come in the paragraph? You search. Oh, it comes here. Labhadayakam. Underline that word in the question paper in the paragraph. Aparam nama. If you search for aparam nama, you will not get it even if you search for 2 minutes. So we will keep that question in the side. Next, we will go to next question. Sahayakam. Sahayakam comes here. So we can assume that the answer will come somewhere here only for this question, for the third question. Next, sahabhojanena. Sahabhojanena comes here. Sahabhoja comes here also, but sahabhojanena itself comes here. So this is the play, and jagarti is also here. Jagarti we can also see here. So we can say that the answer for this fourth question will come here. Next, dhatripalam katham bahupayogi. Bahupayogi comes here. So this is where we can find the answer to this question. Probably we can find the answer. So we have marked these two keywords in the question paper and in the answer script. Parampara. If you search, parampara comes here. So this is where you can say that this answer to this will come in this particular sentence somewhere here. Next, Visheshapadam. We already got the answer to this question. Vilomapadam. Kshiyate. If you know the meaning of kshiyate, it reduces or diminishes. The opposite is vardhate. Vardhate is found here. We can sarveshu ritushu is found here. I have just underlined it here. Then vardhate is found here. Kshiyate opposite vardhate. We got the answer to this question also. Snehasya iti padam padasya krite. We have to find the synonym for the word snehasya. Now we will read the paragraph, because without reading the paragraph we will not be able to get this meaning. Snehasya means of friendship. We will read the paragraph now. Dhatri phalam sarveshu ritushu labhadayakam bhavati. Dhatri phalam, some fruit called dhatri fruit, is useful in all the seasons. Labhadayakam is profitable, beneficial in all the seasons. Dhatri phalam amalakam ityapi katyate. Dhatri phalam is also known as amalakam. So we got the answer to this question. Dhatri phalam asya aparam nama kim? Amalakam. Labhadayakam. Kada labhadayakam bhavati? Sarveshu ritushu labhadayakam bhavati. And amalakam, we got the answer to this question also. Amalakam, this second question we got the answer. Next, sharirasya swasthavardhanaya phalasya asya prayogaha avashyameva kartavyah. For increasing the health of the body, this fruit is to be used, is to be eaten. Prayogaha. Idam phalam netrayoho jyotivardhanaya. This fruit is used for increasing the glow, the brightness of the eyes. Keshanam saundarya vrdhaye. For increasing the glow, beauty of the hair. And tvachaha kanti vardhanaya. For increasing the glow of the skin. Cha bahupayogi. It is useful in many ways. Samanyataya asya prayogaha avahela rupena upadamsha rupena cha bhavati. This is used for making pickles. We know gooseberries. Dhatri phalam means, amalakam means gooseberry. It is used for making pickles. Idam raktakosha nirmane api sahayakam bhavati. This is useful in the growing of the blood cells also. Blood cells. Raktakosha. Asya sevanena sharire rakta alpata na bhavati. This same sentence is here. By consumption of dhatri phalam, there will be no shortage of blood in the body. Grishma rutu phalamidam sharirasya tapam apanayati. In the Grishma time, Grishma rutu, this reduces the temperature of the body. Asya niyamata sevanena smarana shaktirapi vardhate. By controlled consumption of dhatri phala, memory power also increases. Prachina kale kirtikamasya navamyam kartikamasasya navamyam tithau dhatri vrikshasya adhah sahabhojanasya api parampara asit. Prachina kale kartikamasasya navamyam. In the Kartika month, Navami tithi, the 9th day of the Kartika month, Dhatri vrikshasya adha, below the Dhatri tree, there used to be a joint family dinner. There was a tradition of a joint family dinner, like a family dinner. Keshuchit sthaleshu adhuna api yesha parampara paripalyate. Even in today, today's world, this tradition is being followed. Vrikshasya adha bhojanam pachyate chet, when the food is cooked below the tree, bhojanam svaduhu swasthavardhakam cha bhavati iti, the food will be tasty and also increasing the health, beneficial to health. It becomes like that. Iti asmakam purvajanam chintanam asit. This was the thinking of our elder people, of our ancient people. Etadatiricche, in addition to this, sahabhojanena premnah bhavo api jagarti vardhate. Vardhate is here also, vardhate is here also. Premnah bhava, the feeling of friendship and love also increases. So we have snehasya is premnaha. That's what we can identify here. So these three questions we got the answer. Asya is here. Asya means dhatri phalasya. So these four questions we got the answer. And these questions also we got the answer. Sahayakam, we got the answer here. Rakta kosha nirmane sahayakam bhavati. Sahabhojanena premnaha bhavaha jagarti. So this premnaha is answer for this and also to this question, like this. Ityapi janaha amananti. So the feeling of friendship also increases. Sarvato adhikam parampareyam. Because of all these traditions, dhatri palasya mahimanam prakati karoti. Mahima dhatri pala is this is in all these ways dhatri pala shows itself, it shows its significance. This is the question. So we got the answer to all the questions in this particular paragraph. Title is, we can say, dhatri palasya mahatvam, we can say as the title. So we will look at the answers one by one in the next slide. Dhatri phalam kada labhadayakam bhavati sarveshu rutushu. Dhatri palasya aparam nama kim? Amalakam. Dhatri phalam kasmin sahayakam bhavati? Raktakosha nirmane. Sahabhojanena कीदृशः भावः जागर्ति? प्रेम्णः भावः जागर्ति. धात्रीफलं कथं बहुपयोगी अस्ति? We have to form a sentence. So we have to say धात्रीफलं नेत्रयोः ज्योतिवर्धनाय, केशानां सौन्दर्यवृद्धये, त्वचः कान्तिवर्धनाय च बहुपयोगी भवति. So this is a full Sanskrit sentence, and if you write this full sentence, then you will get full marks for this question, for this particular part. Next, प्राचीन काले कीदृशी परंपरा आसीत्? प्राचीन काले कार्तिक मासस्य नवम्यां तिथौ धात्री वृक्षस्य अधः सहभोजनस्य परंपरा आसीत्. So we have taken the same sentence, slightly modified here and there, just to make it the answer to this particular question. Very simple to answer these questions. We go further. सर्वेषु ऋतुषु इत्यनयोः पदयोः किं विशेषणपदं? सर्वेषु is the विशेषणपदं. क्षीयते इति क्रियापदस्य विलोमपदं. Opposite word to क्षीयते is वर्धते. स्नेहस्य इति पदस्य कृते गद्यांशे किं पदं प्रयुक्तं? प्रेम्णः is the पदं प्रयुक्तं. अस्य सेवनेन शरीरे रक्त अल्पता न भवति इत्यस्मिन् वाक्ये अस्य इति सर्वनामपदं कस्मै प्रयुक्तं? धात्रीफलाय प्रयुक्तं भवति. धात्रीफलाय प्रयुक्तं. अनुच्छेदस्य अस्य कृते समुचितं शीर्षकं लिखता. Write a title. धात्रीफलस्य महत्वम्. So these are the answers to all the 11 questions by reading the reading comprehension in this particular for this particular question. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. See you in another question in the next video. Amara Bharati Samskrita. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.